In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a personal identity to your art in Artistly AI so you can create consistent, recognizable designs every time. First, open Artistly AI and go to the image generation section where you normally create your artwork. Instead of relying on random styles each time, you're going to use a personal identity prompt. This is a reusable prompt that describes your character, style, or brand in a consistent way. Write a detailed prompt that includes key identity traits like facial features, clothing style, color palette, mood, lighting style, and overall aesthetic. The more specific you are, the more consistent your results will be across different generations. Once you've created a strong personal identity prompt, save it somewhere you can reuse it every time you generate new images. This way, you can simply copy and paste it into future prompts to keep your artwork consistent. Now, whenever you generate a new image, combine your personal identity prompt with the new idea or scene you want to create. This keeps the character or style the same while still allowing creative changes. After generating your image, you can refine it using tools like upscale, background editing, and enhancement options to polish the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.